2x plus 3y minus x plus 4y. So, sa case na to guys, simplify lang. Then, magiging sagot. So, nga muna before this, we just need to combine similar terms and that's it. So, remember sa pag-simplify or pag-combine ng like terms, dapat pareho sila ng variable and exponent. So, kung pareho sila variable x, we can combine the terms kasi parehas lang sila 1 yung exponent. Then, remember, kung meron tayong variable, meron siyang 1 na coefficient. So, which means meron tong negative 1 kasi katabi niya yung minus. And 2x minus x, that is x na lang. Kasi 2 minus 1 is 1, which is understood yon na meron tong 1 kapag may variable. Then 3y plus 4y, so we can combine terms because similar yung variable and parehas ng exponent. Then 3 plus 4, that is 7. So positive 7, then kakopy lang yung variable. So, ganun siya ginagawa. So, hindi mahirap. Nasundan ba? Mabilis ba? So, let's say meron tayong f of x, which is equal sa x squared plus 2x. And we need to solve or find the value of f of negative 3. So, this is evaluating. So, ganito siya guys. Ito guys is evaluate lang. So, meron tayong given na f of x equals x squared plus 2x. Then, we need to find f of negative 3. So, substitute lang yung guys. Ibig sabihin lahat ng variable x papalitan natin ng negative 3. Sa case na to kasi meron tayong x dito. So, para safe, lahat ng variable na papalitan natin, lagay mo siya ng parenthesis. Then, plus yung 2 times yung negative 3. Then, you can now solve that. So, negative times negative, that is positive. And 3 squared is 9. Then, positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So, yung f of negative 3 natin is 9 minus 6, which is 3. So, it must be. So, kasi magkaiba guys yung, ano ba to? Magkaiba, kapag hindi mo kasi siya nilagyan ng parenthesis, yung negative 3 natin naka-squared, hindi siya equal sa may parenthesis na ganyan. Bakit? Kasi guys, mapapansin mo, itong squared natin, nakatama lang siya dito sa 3. So, yung negative to, na to, maiiwan siya. Then, ito lang yung kailangan mo squared, wherein magiging negative 9. Well, in this case, sa kabila, meron kang negative 3 na kailangan mo siya squared. So, magkakaroon kang dalawang negative 3 doon. And negative times negative is positive. And 3 times 3 magiging 9. Kaya hindi sila equal. So, mas safe na lalagyan mo sila ng parenthesis kapag mag-evaluate. Anyways, at least namali na tayo dun. Next tayo, number 6. So, let's say meron tayong 2x greater than 10. So, ito naman is inequality. Anyways, guys, sa inequality, meron din tayo rules. Actually, parehas lang siya sa equality, pero yung symbol nila magkaiba. Then, syempre, to solve this one, you just need to divide it both by 2. Then, makuha natin yung x. Then, kakopy lang natin yung symbol. Then, 10 divided 2 is?
Ano?
5.
10 divided with is? Anong is?
Kinuha yung inihaw mo.
Ano yun? Tira lang yun.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Ay, ano, ipapaulam natin kay Lola mo.
Okay.
Ayaw daw niya ng itlog. Ayaw yung lumpia.
Aging. Itlog.
Ayaw nga niya.
Wala na. Ano, magprito nga.
Ano?
Manok.
Marami na naman.
Oo. 60. Marami na ba yun? Ha? Kuya, di po ba siya magiging less than? Hindi po. Magiging less than lang or magre-reverse guys yung given or yung symbol kapag nag-divide tayo ng negative. So, for instance, meron tayong negative 2x then greater than 10. Then, kapag nag-negative 2 ka dyan both side, doon na siya magre-reverse ng sign.
Ito may
Otherwise, hindi. Or kapag greater than or equal to lang siya magpapalit, hindi. Kapag nag-divide ka ng negative sign, ng coefficient, doon lang siya magpapalit ng or magre-reverse ng sign. So, as long as hindi ka nagdi-divide ng negative na coefficient, as is yung magiging symbol. Sundan. Number 7. So, let's say meron tayong x plus 4 times x plus 2. So, So we need to expand these binomials. Meron tayong given na x plus 4 times x plus 2, FOIL method. Though kahit mental, pwede na to eh. Like, wala naman. Pero yung process gawin natin. So, x times x, that is x squared. Then, x times 2, that is 2x, so positive. Then, 4 times x, that is positive 4x. Then, 4 times 2, that is 8. Wherein we can combine similar terms. So, meron tayong 2x tsaka 4x. Just need to combine these two terms. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2x plus 6x plus 8. So, ganun siya ginagawa. FOIL method.